Omwaka gwa 1996 ekibiina ky'Urwenzururu Freedom Movement kyatandika kaweefube okweyubula okufuuka obwakabaka era nga 3 Juni wa 1962 obwa Rwenzururu bwalangirirwa nga bukulembera Omusinga Isaya Okiraniya kebula emyezi 3 gyokka Uganda okufuna obwetwaze. Mu Septemba ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 1966 Omusinga Isaya Okiraniya Mukama yamuyita n'aterekebwa ku kyalo Bulemba. Kati emyaka gyekulungudde nga butuukidde olwaleero Charles Wesley Mumbere yali mu ntebe alamula obusinga bwa Rwenzururu. Olw'obutayagala Omusinga eyasooka kubava ku maaso, Abarwenzururu bazimbye ekibumbe ekiweza kilo 14,600 mu kifaananyi kya Isaya Okiraniya okumujjukirirangako.
He was doing this in a forest and this baboon is something that is showing us that where he did his struggle, he was one of the people who used it to protect the environment.
Kino era bakikoze okusiima kaweefube gwe yakola okuleeta ensibuko y'Obwarwenzururu.
Initially we were under the rule of the then Toro Kingdom. Our rights were being stepped on. We were not recognized as a tribe because we were not in the constitution of Uganda, neither were we in the constitution of DRC. So we were stateless. He demonstrated, and out of that the Bakonzo were recognized.
Baagalira kifuuka ekyobulambuzi ekinaakulumululanga abantu okuva e Bule n'Ebweya okujja okukirambula.
Many people would like to see the face of a man who liberated us. Many people want to see the face of a man who, I would say, introduced education in this region. A person who brought peace in this region, and a person who identified our culture as a tribe.
Balina n'ebifo ebirala okuli awaziikibwa abazira abasatu mu ntaano emu n'ebirala bye baagala bifuuke ebyobulambuzi.
There is another cultural site in Kagando where the 3 heroes are buried in one tomb. Another place is in Nyamutswa area in Mahango sub-county. There is another site which we have started developing. That is the Base Camp Hill.
Wano omumyuka wa Katikkiro Benson Kule Baritazale wasabidde Abarwenzururu bonna okubakwatizaako ekirooto kituukirire.
We are reminded of his struggle for equal treatment of all people, respect for human dignity and peaceful coexistence. It is in line with this philosophy that the OBR leadership in its rebranding process is calling upon all Banyarwenzururu and all people in the Rwenzururu region to be champions of peace, champions of unity, champions of reconciliation, champions of socio-economic and cultural transformation and mindset change.
Bino bibadde ku kyalo Bulembo ku mukolo gw'okutongoza ekibumbe ky'Omusinga eyasooka Isaya Okiraniya.